Welcome to the Out There channel. Live-396.
Hiding, I'm searching, I'm loving, I'm finding love. I'm hiding, I'm searching, I'm loving, I'm finding love.
Welcome to the dark side.
Control your body.
Let's party. In the beginning. Little CPU speaking.
Hiding, I'm searching, I'm loving, I'm finding.
Yes, we're a bit sorry here. Hello, good to be back. I hope it doesn't crash on us. Can't seem to get the screen up. Right. Looks like it finished alright. Hope everybody's good out there. You can see I've been playing around. Not sure about the timing, but we'll see how we go. So I'm trying to improve my alien avatar. We're now getting Robert's sculpture to be emanation, and you can see the alien blinks occasionally, and if I talk quietly the mouth shape changes. There you go, just blinked then. So yeah, when I want to maybe talk on cam with people, I could use this avatar now. The small one was limited, so it's best good to have one of each. But I want to see if I can improve on it. So I'll be playing around on the code live today, so you can see what I'm doing. And just relax with me, I guess. So yeah, this is like behind the scenes. Let me just see how we're going on the main screen. I think it's all audio sounding alright so far. Yep, we're getting echoes. Yeah, so it might freak out some people seeing that. You can see it looks more three-dimensional and realistic, right? So I want to make the mouth more emanated to see how well it'll go. At the moment it just calculates a circle depending on what you're saying. The louder you talk, the wider it gets. So if I whisper, you can see the little mouth just opens up a wee bit here. Yes, so it's pretty good. So who's out there? Anyone out there? I've been having a busy weekend. I've been running back and forth because of my health, getting scans done, and getting injections and all sorts of crazy stuff. So I'll talk about that in a minute. The men in black haven't killed me off just yet, but you just don't know when your time is up. Now I'm not too sure if it's out of sync or not. And the voice. So I think it's looking pretty okay here, but of course the more you do, the more CPU you need. You may watch Geekcraft, he has something similar, but he's using cartoon. and his own sort of method. Me, I write it into Windows code, and it's a bit of fun trying to learn it, self-learn it. I don't know everything, of course, and can't find examples out there where someone's sorted it out, nutted it out, so I can just copy it. So sometimes I have to spend days and days trying to figure it out. Windows APIs and all that sort of stuff. So this is 396 pull codes, Mr. Grey. So not only have we got Mr. Pinky, we're having Mr. Grey as well. So Mr. Pinky is still there. We should be having them both running. Hello, there you go. We both can talk together. Oh, what happened there? Right, it's sharing some sort of... Oh, I've found a bug. Can't have two running together with different heads. That's pretty cool though. So if I close that down again, it should come right. Oh yeah. The alien's looking a bit angry now. So yeah. So basically what I do is I code up my images. Downloads. What's in that? Oh yeah, I don't need that. Okay, that's when my initial workings were. So in my pictures folders, you can see the alien head. So I've got a small one, two small ones, two big ones, and my initial one. And when he blinks his eyes, it just uses the second one. And yeah, it works pretty simply, doesn't it? You can make it more and more complex, of course, depending how good your computer's going to be. And so copies it to a RAM drive, so it runs in memory here. Why is that over? I don't know. Always keeps turning that on for some reason. So yeah, the temporary file is here, but it looks like I'm going to have to make this one use temp2 probably. So let's fix it up now. So I'm using a package called where is it? Auto. I haven't closed it down, have I? No. You can see it's sort of structural basic. A lot of you out there probably say, but there's not much code for that emanation. 5 pages, no, a bit more than that, 7 pages for that one, for the big alien head. So it's got to read the mic input in, which Windows likes to change the number. So once you figured out which number from 1 to 10 or 11 is the mic for the headset, it can change on you. So I might change this so as an input, so you can input a number and refigure it out if you need to, because it's hard coded, you see. Another way would be to create a ini file that it reads, which you can edit the ini file with a number, which would be another way of doing it. So let's see what we can do on that. So yeah, so where does it copy the temp folder? So we have to go through the code and relearn it, because I did this a long time ago. And of course it calls Windows API MCI, is it? To query the mic and get a byte of information, which is the current wave point from 0 to 255. And that's number we can use to control the size of the mouth. Okay, loudness and waveform. So here it is. It's got a temp folder here. I had it go into my pictures files initially. Then I've got it going to the Z drive, which is the RAM drive, so it can be faster. Although the solid state drive is fast, you really want to not keep writing it to solid state drive because it wears it out. So let's make it temp 2 then, and see if that fixes that problem. Save. Now, do I need to change it anywhere else? Because I shouldn't really hard code it. So let's see if it still works. Copy. Yeah, should be using that variable. Run it again. So this ain't actually compile it into an executable. It sort of runs it in its own memory space so you can test it out on the fly. That's what I like about this Windows compiler. And of course it puts it on the other screen. Hello, still working? Are you working? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Oh, and of course it changes color, red sometimes instead of black. Because I was going to make it red for angry tone when you're louder, you see. I'm fed up. So let's see if we can run that standalone one again. Okay, Mr. Pinky. And now we're not getting anything crazy, or are we? I'll get some flashing. Why? I'm not too sure. Okay. So this is where bugs come in. Human error. So it looks like we got Pinky on 1 from what I'm seeing up there. The temporary file. Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. What's happened there? Hello. Something's happened. What is script? Something happened. Is it still streaming? I better check. This is the problem. How's it going? Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Has it started over again? It has to, hasn't it? Instead of pending on to the last one. Is that what it's done? Or is it resumed? Yeah, we got audio. It looks like it. Are we there? Oh, Windows really crapped on itself then. We can always find ways to crash Windows 10. It's just a piece of crap, really. Okay, looks like we might be back. But did it start a new stream? It doesn't matter if we started over again. Where is it? How can we find out? Manager, open new tab, is it? Yeah, it doesn't make it really easy for you, does it? Alright, so let's try again. No, don't want to go there. How do we get back to Twitch? Did it start a new stream or did it
a couple
end?
of early ones you would have seen.
Really stupid crap system.
Stink meter.
Go away. Where's my videos? Video production. Yeah, looks like it created another one. Yo, it's got no picture. Okay. So let's type this up again and see if I can crash it again. How's the audio sounding this time though? So run it both together. For some reason crashed it. So let's just bring up the stuff again. And the men in black don't want me to do an alien. It looks pretty good though. I spent 4 hours on it last night. I felt like doing something creative. Yeah, that's sort of coming up. Take 2. What happened to that now? I thought I resized it, not moved it. Windows is so stupid. So we got everything running back yet. Come on. Crash, crash, crash. Oh yeah, there we go. How's the audio sounding? Sounds alright there. We haven't got the intro this time. I suppose I could splice them back together. Download both and join them. Okay, so let's check with the basic one. That's still working. It said I managed to crash the sound engine. Maybe 2 avatars accessing the same microphone at the same time. It didn't like. Anyway, let's see. Did we get any corrupted files? Probably. Come on, you're slowing down our progress for editing today. You piece of crap system. Ideally, you would have a separate machine and have a streaming machine, and you'd be capturing the screen and send it to the other machine. So if this crashed, your stream will still keep running. Yeah, but I just ain't got that kind of money, you know. I'm just on a oily rag. Okay. But you can help by donating to this thing, and I can only get better and better. But I do what I can do, you know. Downloads. What was the folders I had open? Pictures. And I was looking at the Z drive. Which is the RAM drive. And so I get cleaned out. Okay, so let's bring up auto it again. Okay, it seems to be alright. Now, I wasn't sure why it was flickering. I'd say it might be a timing issue. Go. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's the audio sound? Is it corrupted? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hello. Hello. Seems to be alright, doesn't it? Sounds right this end. Oh well, hopefully it won't crash again. We won't do that again. It's not flickering, you can see here, which is good. It shouldn't be flickering. That's why I'm doing RAM drive, so it can be so fast. And it draws it in between. But because my computer is so crap, I'm running at 15 frames a second, not 30. So yeah, you can see as I stop talking, this simply goes back to the thing. But normally, I think I had it mouth closed down slowly. At the moment I've got that turned off. And I've got a chunk here. So when there's sound coming in, draw the mouthpiece basically. Draws a circle or oval in this case, based on the waveform coming in or the loudness. And then I got this bit here which is meant to be beeping. I might put a beep there for debug, right? So we can see that it's actually drawing the head back with the mouth closed. Okay, so let's see. So I gotta close that and run it again. Now we should have a beep noise as it's closing its mouth. Hello. Hello. Okay. So it's a good way to debug things, you see. Little click sounds. Okay, so you can see here I had a draw function which I've commented out with a semicolon, and it's in the wrong location, so we needs to be 810 and 1700. I've gone too far, have I? Deleted the comma. 1700 and 1700. Nice and even number. Now I don't think we'll see that, but we'll try it. I think it's going to have to be 150. I'll just put 150 in to see if it's right first. That's initial size plus we're just feeding it 1 in, which should be closed mouth. Anything over 3 is open mouth. It always puts it on screen 1. There we go, you can see it closing. So you can see it's in the wrong, it's not really nice looking. Hello. So how are we going to change the shape of that? Good question. Trial and error. So let's say 10 and 50. See what that gives us. Hello. Oh, that's looking better. You can see his mouth shutting then. And it goes back to normal. Maybe just a wee bit too high now. Pretty clever. Hello, hello. I fart. I fart. Yeah, so. So if I can do coding like this and self-teach, I'm pretty sure you guys, young people out there, the millennials, should be getting stuck into this sort of stuff. You can see it doesn't have to be complex. And you start off with something like this, get understanding how you can animate things, and just simply using circles and colours and thing, you can represent lips and openings on mouths without having to do animations. But we'll try and do an animation, but we'll make the graphics. And I also need to improve the small one. So yeah, where did the thing go? I got and moved it. What did I move it for? What happened there? Did I click on the wrong tab again? Here we go. So 10 seemed to be okay. Let's make this 10 as well. And it should be a skinnier mouth. Let's just see if that's correct. Hello. Yep, skinnier. That looks pretty good. Yeah, so we need to have it come down a bit. So that's X and Z. Z is vertical. So we need to come down maybe 20 pixels. Let's see if that works. Is the audio still good? Is the audio still good? Yeah, looks like it needs to come down a bit still. Hello, hello. Sounds alright here. So right click on it, closes it down. So we can go smaller. Let's try 2 or 3. Try 3, odd number. And I think we might be almost right for the size. Hello. That's not too bad. That's looking good. And I've gone and done it again. Got too many sample tabs open here. Was it too high up? I forgot to check. I think it's looking better all the time. Is it in the right place? Still needs to come down a bit, doesn't it? Okay, we'll try 40. That might be too far down now. Okay. Hello. Hello. Still a wee bit high. Alright, so let's try 50. And save it just in case it crashes. Trying to do this while streaming, it's always fun. There we go. Wish I could tell it to always start on the screen. Hello. That's looking good. 1, 2. Probably needs to come down just a tad more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Probably need to get rid of that clicking. So I really should put a comment in there, so if I look at the game in the future I can quickly learn it again. I write the code but I don't put the comments in. Mouth closing. Mouth opening. Based on loudness from headset mic. Well, can be any mic, but yeah, I want to change it so it's more flexible there. Okay, we'll just save that. Did it need to come down a wee bit more? 5. Let's see. Try 5. Let's just check again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably could make it less wide. Hello. I could come down another 5, I think. Try 60. And reduce 10 down to 7. Go. How's that looking? Looking better? Not bad. Mr. Gray, how are you today? Not bad. I kind of like that. Nice and simple. Looks like it turns black to red. Hello, hello. Could make it a wee bit smaller again. Let's try that. I'll go for 5 maybe. Go. Hello. That's good, isn't it? Perfect. My name is Mr. Gray. What is yours? So yeah, I wonder if I can animate the mouth to be even better than that and keep the speed. So that's what we've got to experiment with. I'm quite happy with that. As long as the audio is not corrupting. How's it sounding still? No, we have to keep an eye on it. Save that. Now, did it create the second file this time? Or did we lose our changes? Oh yeah, it did create it. So that should be the Mr. Pinky head. It should be our big one. And you can see it's using bitmaps. And you can see they're quite big. 20 megabytes, 18 megabytes each. And that's why we've got some quality images here. These bitmaps are very small. And only 100k, right? Now I've got a smaller version. I'll just show you what I've done so far on that one. But I've done the tweaks on that one. Should really come across to this one too at some stage. There's the small version. Now you can see it's not moving the lips. But yeah, they could replace the Mr. Pinky one. But the thing is, he's got this, looks like he's caught fleas. If I zoom in, if that still works. Okay. You can see he's got a lot of ticks. Oh, come on, back down. Around his head there. And for some reason it is... What's going on there? Oh, what's going on there? Some strangeness with the icons there. And the men in black are back again. Okay. I probably should have my men in black mask on. That's the point. I probably have to make a new face mask for it too, probably. Now look, I think I got a key stuck down, huh? What the hell is going on here? Any Windows could do this. Okay. Media. Back to normal. Yeah, they're still gonna go small. They're still gonna go small on this, you damn stupid thing. It's doing something crazy again. No, I'm not too sure why it's doing that. Could it be because of the alien head? Hello, hello, hello. I think it's some other problem. It's got to be my magnifier. Let me just reset it, maybe. There's always some problem. And it always slows us down. Okay, let's redone that. Still could be a key stuck down here. Desktop, medium. Okay, back to normal there. Okay, is it going to go crazy? Zoomed in. Hello, hello, hello. That's really crazy. Okay. I think it's alright now. For the time being, until it screws up again. Okay, so where were we? I was talking about the nits and nits. So we need to fix the sound thing. The right microphone. I'm not sure which one it's selecting, but I thought 9 was the laptop mic. But it appears to have changed again. And I don't know which one it is, but it looks like the headset's number 6. So let's just try that. Go. Are we talking now? There we go. He's got a bigger mouth, this one. It looks a bit more creepy too. A creepy alien. And he's got nits. Alien nits. You wouldn't want to catch those off him, would you? But yeah, that one doesn't have the mouth, it just closes, so we need to fix that up on that one too. And yeah, you can see it's got all this bit around outside of it. Now if I zoom in, is it going to go crazy? Is it going to go crazy on the icons? How's it looking? It's looking pretty good. Look how responsive that is though. Because it's smaller, less graphics, right? I think that's more in sync, right? I wonder what he smells like with all the white nits around him. I visited Gufon. Was going to put an implant, but we found no brain matter to implant it into. Rich Gorsano. So that's pretty cool too. But we need to fix up a few things on it. So instead of just changing the number here, we should ask for it at startup. Now, how do we do that? We should better do it on both of them. So if it ever changes, we don't have to recompile the code. So I did do a privacy filter. Have I got it here? Where I did ask for input value, and I'll just copy the code and paste it into this maybe. Don't see it there. What was it called? Privacy thing. We don't really use it anymore. That was a way to deface the video, because it was fair use, right? It wasn't bypassing the system, but it saves a lot of hassle having to fight the content ID system all the time without having to waste more time saying it's fair use. So where's the code for that one? What was it called? Overlay or something. A lot of sample code here too. Now that's how you learn. You learn little bits of code. You do little bits of code, and then eventually you put it together. Display image. And I think it was that one. Scraper. Display image. Notepad. Pop-up character. Overall, that was doing the mouth testing with a circle opening and closing. What did I call it? Display. See, that one I asked for the dim factor value, so you can input a number. So I want to copy the code there. So 20 to whatever it was, 20, and it creates that checkerboard thing that you can drag around. That one's very dim. You can hardly see it. So you need to find display image. Oh, it was that one. Okay, I thought it was called overlay. So I want to open that one. Display image, because that's got the code in it that we want. Okay, so where do we input? Here we go. Yeah, how does it work? Create an input. Okay. So that creates a window. It's kind of strange though, the way I'm doing it here. And in that window I'm putting the inputs. But I suppose we just copy it, and we can change the font size here of the label as well as the inputs. Create a OK button. And you think it's easy, don't you? Well, not clicked. Close, exit loop, beep, and delete. So yeah, it's quite a bit of code there. Create overlay. So we probably need to copy that chunk of code and stick it at the beginning. Okay, this is going to be fun if I get it wrong. So we'll try it with the small one first. And we want to set it before this part. So up the top here. Now let's see what happens. Go. Oh, that was there. Then it crashed and burned. Okay. Possibly not used. Not used. Okay, what does it mean? The variable not used. Why? Okay. Okay, so did we have a not clicked variable on the other one? Let's see. There we go. So we haven't defined it. Terminate defector. Well, we're going to have to change that probably to a different word, but we can use it as it is. Okay. So all that's part of the same bit, so we just put it together. Was it not pasted? Oh, there we go. How's the audio sounding? I'll do a check. No clicking. Sounds alright. Okay, so let's see what happens this time. Go. Oh. I don't want to do that one. Go. Aha! Let's stay in there. Okay, let's type in a number. Okay. What's that say? Undetectable character. What, 7? Must have put something in. Enter key doesn't work. You got to click the OK, and that's alright. I'm clicking it. Okay, so it's not responding. Maybe because it's below 20. 20. Nope. Okay, so what have I done wrong? Can we end it? Yep. Started it up. So OK button. It's down there. Defactor. I suppose we could call it device factor number. Doesn't really matter, does it? So, but the range is wrong. So device, change that. Device number. And it'll be between 1. Oh, what happened there? Got up the top there for some reason. Oh, I suppose it could be 0 even. Does it go down to 0? We'll start at 1, I don't know. 1, 2. 11, I think. Depends how many drivers you got, I suppose. Put it up to 15 just in case. Now that includes mics as well as speaker outputs, and unfortunately virtual cables, the whole shebang. So we got to put it on desktop width plus 10. That's why it always ends up over here on the second screen. It adds 10 on, so it overflows over to this screen. OK button pressed. Must be doing it in here. Close event. Read input. A bit smaller than 0, let's say, and greater than 15. Set it to 6. We know that was a headset. So save it so far. Let's rewatch it. How's everybody out there? So go, let's see what happens. There we go, device number 1 to 15. Click OK. Does nothing. I'll try 5. No. It's just not slipped in the click. So I've done something wrong. How does it pick up the click though? There's around here. What am I missing? Did I miss a chunk? Control set on event. Click O button. OK. It should go to the function OK button. Did I have that on my other one, or did I miss that? It was there, wasn't it? There it is here. Control set event. OK button. Go to function OK button. Down here. So if that's clicked, that turns on, and then it should jump down to function OK button. Read the inputs, make sure it's not empty, make sure it's between 0 and 15, and then it should end. We should carry on. Close the input down. I can't see what I'm doing wrong. This is the fun of coding. What am I missing? Shouldn't need escape, I don't think. On event mode, maybe it's that bit here. I'm not sure what that does. Right, let's see. It may crash the computer. On event mode, have we got that one? Alright, it's up the top here. Why is it dimmed out? Maybe it caused a problem. That wouldn't be good. Let's undo that. Go. It's already running, is it? Go. Okay. Hey, that's working now. What's that coming up there? Okay, something coming up. Alright, should be pausing that too. How's the audio sounding? Should be pausing that too. Sounds right there. Get some more CPU back. Okay. So now we've got the input working. I'm not sure if it's going to stuff up anything, but we'll just run it again. And if you don't input anything, it should be just set to 6 by default. And it still should work, and it does. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's run it again and change it to another number. Now if you have a look at my mixer, not the mixer, but the Windows inputs, you can see there's quite a few mics and things. I'll just bring that up now and see if I can drag it across without crashing. So we got a lot of playback devices. Alright. So that's where all the numbers are. So it could be quite a lot of numbers. Looks like there's at least 20 there, right? And recording devices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think it only works on the recording one. I don't think it adds those ones on. So really, a maximum should have been 12 at the moment. So yeah, we got virtual cables. And you can see that they capture the microphone and output it in different direction to minicam, to stream, and all that sort of stuff. So one of these numbers will also work just like the microphone. But also pick up the other sounds. So let's just prove a thing. We'll just do it normal. Drag it across. And if I play My Name is Ken.
Yes, my name is Ken. Okay,
you can see the lips didn't move until I talked. Back. Okay, so we can bring up Microsoft Edge, hopefully. So what I was going to do is maybe have one of them talk via the computer speech engine and one with me, and I can just play have one talking out what's being read on the page and stuff, right? So we could bring up a page to read out here, and one alien would be reading it out in the corner and the other one would be me on the mic. So there's all sorts of possibilities, but then we got that crash happening, so we might just play with that offline first. But yeah, let's see, is there a thing that's Hopefully it makes it easier to type it in and speak it. Probably not. So let's just type out dog. So that's something to research, where there's a program that will take your inputs and talk it. And what's this one? A dangerous extension. New tab. It's not though. That's just bullshit. It's a good program. New tab is this thing here. Which it's got rid of. Microsoft is taking control. It wants to put its own one on. You dirtbags. So I'm not sure how to get around that, but that's something else we're going to have to work on another time to get around Microsoft trying to claim ownership. New tab is not unsafe. Adds all this on, you know, my bookmarks and stuff. They're little rat bags, is Microsoft, isn't it? They're always trying to control your system. It looks ugly compared to the add-on. Extensions. How do I get it back on? It's probably trashed it, has it? I can't see it. New tab, here it is. Extension. That's just utter crap. It's been disabled because it has been marked unsafe by Microsoft, a competitor. How do we get around that though? We don't want them to control our life like this. Some research is going to be needed on this. They're rat bags. I can't tell you how much I hate Microsoft now. Stop Edge disabling extensions. Your system users from installing extensions. No, we don't care. Get rid of Microsoft X extensions. How to get rid of extensions. How to get rid of Microsoft Edge. Prevent turning off required extensions. Exactly. Can we define a list of extensions that users cannot turn off? What about the system not turn it off? Disabling extensions. Here we go. No, and I doubt they ever allow it. Time to ditch Microsoft Edge. You scumbags. Must be a way. Someone's got to hack it, surely. Battery friended. What a piece of crap. That I've found. So other people have been looking. It's not good. Start edge disabling. Is there a developer mode? Managed by my organizations, but it's managed by bloody Microsoft. It won't allow me to turn it back on. What's that one? Well, I don't have the web store even enabled, right? I've got it disabled. You can't tell me they're not a spy network. They really are. What have we got here? I think it might be.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, welcome aboard. Yeah, we're just having lots of fun. New problem with Microsoft. And go and get them, aliens. Anal probe them. Yeah, I was just watching third phase rubbish where they're talking about the spark plug, champion. And it sort of made me think of the joke. What does Blake Cousins say when he's being anal probed by alien? Champion! Because they wouldn't be using any flash tools on that guy. They'd be using a champion spark plug. Anyway, Banned, how dare you attack third phase of the moon? Goofon will get me for attacking his ponytail friend. Oh no, that was a joke, man. Have you got no sense of humour? God knows. Okay, so it looks like we're stuffed there for the time being. Someone's going to have to work out how to get that. 2 ways to disable block Microsoft Accent. Enable my extinction, you turkeys. You're ruining my life. Stop edge disabling. Unsafe. Turn off unsafe extensions. Turn off unsafe extensions. Edge. How to turn off. Yeah. Of course, it's going to be bollocks that it's unsafe, right? Lets you control how much data. Doesn't let you control anything. It's deciding for us. How to save extension. Unsafe. The best kind for online safety. Goodbye, Microsoft. Welcome, Microsoft Chromium. I didn't have the brief. You can define a list of extension Microsoft that users cannot. And that doesn't get stop them doing it. Oh well, looks like I'm stuffed. Doesn't look like there's any way around it, apart from remove it. So why is it unsafe? Come on, give us a reason. That's the right click one. Where was the other one? New tab. I wonder who did that. Be a competitor, probably. Allow on private, allow access. No, just want to turn it on. No. If anyone knows how to get around that, let me know. Because their thing is so ugly, it ain't funny. And I bet it uses Bing as well. Oh, yuck. It's ugly. Advertising, yeah. That's all for them. I hate them. I really hate them. Advanced, delete. They're trying to force their shit onto us again. Anyway, I was trying to find out something to read out. Carry on. Bill Gates, he needs to be anal probed by a dog. Oh, actually a pig, a bit like in Hannibal. It should be a guinea pig. Okay. Where's the text speak? I'll probably get rid of that, probably.
In 1758, the Swedish botanist...
Yeah, so we've got to work out... have I still got it open? I don't think I have. Work out which channel is that on. Let's have a look. I think it's normal. No, it's not. It's VOIA 3 channel. I think it's this monitor on here.
Botanist and zoologist Carl Linnaeus published in his Systema Naturae the two-word naming of species, binomial nomenclature. Canis is the Latin word meaning dog, 14, 15, and under this genus he listed the domestic dog, the grey wolf.
Moot.
Classified the domestic dog as Canis familiaris,
so
and on the next page
here,
he classified the grey wolf as Canis lupus. 2. Linnaeus considered the dog to be a separate species from the wolf because of its upturning tail, Cauda recurvata, which is not found in any other canid. 16.
So we got 12 and 12, I counted, wasn't it? Places that it could be. How many hours have you been going? What the hell? What's all that crap coming up? Hey, go away. Is my chat not working? Is that screwed up a 2 as well? Hello. How come I didn't paste my comments then? That's kind of weird. Anybody there? Yeah. Something screwy going on today. Oh, there we go. Alright, that's working now anyway. Okay, so we need to go back to the program. Rerun it again. So we're going to try a bank of numbers. So I wonder what speaker will be. Try 1. Hello. Oh. How come 1's working? Okay, we'll better see that we're actually using number. Oh, that's right, we're not using number. Yeah, we didn't assign it, did we? Down further. We got it still hard coded here. So that should be D something. D factor device number. But we'll just keep it like that. Okay, let's see if it works now. 1. Hello. Okay, it's not talking with my microphone. Is it working with any of these ones? There you go, it's working for that. So what's that on? It's hello. It's a good question.
Yes, my name is Ken.
Cable B, I think, or was it just normal cable? Cable. Did that work? Oh, if it wasn't watching. Glitch.
I don't know. It doesn't look like a glitch.
It doesn't look like a glitch.
And I am dumbfounded as to what it could be.
Don't you just miss that voice?
And I am dumbfounded as to what it could be.
Yeah, so we've now figured out one is actually called virtual cable, I think. Virtual cable, I think it was coming in that line there. That one there. VB audio. That's the one. So we've worked out that one. We've got lots to do still. Lots to figure out. Why won't it open up? Oh, right, it's the wrong one. Okay. That should be at the front. Browser's at the front. Okay, we want to end you. Okay. So that's working great. And if we run it again and just put enter or OK, should be back working on the mic. Yep. So this mess here needs to be changed again. And that one's incorrect. So it seems to be. But it might change with the headset unplugged. Laptop mic is not 6, no. We still yet to work that one out. Cable 1, VB cable actually. Virtual cable 1 is 1. This one. Okay, save that. Okay, let's try the next number, 2. Now it's come up with an error. Error. And crashes. 2 doesn't like. So I'm not sure what that is. It could be stereo mix maybe. Error, crash. You can see it's tedious process. 3. No error and no movement on the mouth.
Yes, my name is Ken.
I'm not working on that. And speech.
In 1758, the Sweeties.
Okay, so I'm not too sure what 3 is. Unknown. Three unknown. Let's come up. Come up. And looks like it's picking up the mic. But I don't think it is the mic. And one way to check that is to play other audios and see if it's mixing it.
Domestic dogs. Temporal range, at least 14,200 years ago, present, 1. Conservation status. Domesticated. Scientific classification. Kingdom. Animalia.
Okay.
Phylum. Chordata. Class. Mammalia. Order.
So it's either picking up the output going to the speaker. Hello. It can't be. Oh, actually, get it. It's got to be another virtual cable, I think. Could be the one going to minicam. Do these ones?
Yes, my name is Ken.
So that one's picking up all inputs. Okay. So I think it might be cable C in that case, because that goes to minicam. So let me just see if I can mute that. Can I mute it? Hello? Hello? No. How can I stop sound going from it? You think it's easy, don't you? Virtual mixers. Let's see, we might be able to do it with the other thing. No, that's not the one. Does it still sound alright? Hello? Yep. It's not clicking. Let's see if we can tell it from this. Alright, so let's see what inputs we got. Headset. Cable B. Does that play also from that?
Yes, my name is Ken.
Okay, so it could be cable C or B. Let's see. Let's mute it. Is it still working? Oh, what happened there? Have I crashed it again? Hello? So it could be cable B. As soon as I mute it, it goes crazy though. How come I can't hear now?
Yes, my name is Ken.
Hello? My name is... So, is it cable B or C? Or D, is it? I don't know. It's only those two, I think. Hello. Okay, what else we got down? Voice auxiliary input. I don't think it's that. Hello. No, it's not that one. D, C. Must be cable B, I reckon. Yep, B is the only one that seemed to affect it. So let's close that down. So that's VB cable. I say 1 there, but it should really be A. VB cable B. Okay. Save. So we're really looking for VOIA3. So let's try another number. So it looks like it's going in some sort of order here though. A, B. So the next one will probably be C. 5. Hello. And we knew that also C outputs sound to minicam and picks up all the sounds as well.
Yes, my name is Ken.
Okay, that's interesting. Five. It's picking up the mic. It could. It can't be. Can't be the mic. Damn it. Hello. So it's a click. Is it picking up me clicking? No, it produces a click and opens up the mouth for some reason. Yeah, it could be my microphone input. So what's 6 then? That could explain why there's some lag, maybe. 6 might be cable C. Okay, so do we get any readout?
Size and color, 13. They perform many roles for humans.
No. I reckon that 5 is headphone mic then in that case. Anyway, that could explain a lot. Five equals headset. What is it? VOA. Actually, it could be headset as well as the virtual cable because it splits it. So now it's getting complicated. Is it VOIA? I can't remember. VOIA 3. And this is the same, 6. So the headset or the microphone directly. Which one is it going to be? So you spell it? I always get it around the wrong way. Let me see if I can zoom in. It's VAOI. I always get it, all those numbers jumbled up. No, it's not going to be 3. I mean, it's going to be auxiliary, or it's going to be headset driver directly. Okay. So headset or a auxiliary. Where I got it redirected into. Is that the correct way now? I got the numbers around the right way. Already it's jumbled up on my head. And that should be the same, but all auxiliary. What the hell's going on now? Just trying to type in something and it's bringing it. There's some key stuck down. There we go. All auxiliary. Oh, what happened there? What the hell did I press? Undo. Must have deleted all, did I? AUX. Now let's see if it's still working. Okay, we've got 5, 6, 7. I can't see the alien head. Don't tell I stuffed it up. It's not working now. Why not? That's what you gotta be careful of. Let me just copy that. And I'll do close. And not save it. Looks like it may have saved it. Which now I've copied over my working copy. Because it doesn't create backups, does it? Okay, let's see. Nope. Let's see, small crates. What am I missing? What have I deleted? Error. Oh, have we got a problem with the Windows again? No. Let's see, does the big one work still? Good. Yep, that's still working. Perfect. Okay. So what did I do with the small one? Big alien. What's the end? Character 233. What the hell did you do, Paul? Yeah, it should be more code there. So that's number level. Right. Something missing at the top here, wasn't there? What's missing? What the hell happened there? Let's see, can we no. As soon as you close it, you can't undo. I deleted the code, didn't I? Above, yeah. So I think that's what's missing. That's one thing I hate about this program, that it should always keep a copy. Error 0. That's all there. Yep. It should have the number inputs. That's not there. Most of this defactor. Get the number. Then underneath that should be command. Yeah, that's the same. Level. And the graphics. Okay, that should be 2. But that's not the problem. Small. Small. I think it should be working. the screen, is it? Houston, we have a problem. What did they do? It was going so well. All the code's there from what I can see. Key press. Copy image at the end. To RAM disk. Copy to RAM disk. That's all there. Okay, and what's this telling us? Won't tell us what line it is, so doesn't equal 0. So where's that line? Here. Then okay, something there wrong, I think. Let's compare it to this one. Come on. This is box. Have I got hidden character there, something? Yeah, it could be a strange character there. Maybe. Found another problem, probably. Go. And boom. Error. Why? It's the same. Still giving an error. Subscript used on no unselectable variable. How the hell did that happen? I'm not working. What has changed? What has changed? Good question. Flags. Nice. I can't see anything wrong. This is crazy. Oh. Looks like this stream's not going to be completed today. Subscript used. Error. Oh, it's going so well too. Did I push the wrong key or something? Can't be reading the comments wrong, could it? Yes, good question. Doesn't really give us much of a error message, does it? If error, MSPC error. Is that the line there it's having trouble with? How can we find out? No, it doesn't highlight the one problem. Doesn't even tell us the line number. And show error. Underscore. If we just copy and paste it, it should be. Scroll and see error. I think they might be different here. No. That one does work. Let me just confirm. Yep, that draws it at all. Perfect. Problem is, we got two of these. Let's just chop that out. And run without the comments. See what happens. Made no difference. So undo. Can't be there, man. Let's just copy that again. To there. Can't see any different though. Didn't fix it. Subscript error. Just ram that out. Comment it out. See what happens now. Still got an error, so it can't be that one. It's got to be the one above. plus equal. Equals 6. Okay, let's just comment that one out. What happens now? Probably be a PC reset. There's probably nothing wrong with the code. I bet you. It'd be something stupid. Or I just comment that out. Just close it down and reopen it. Small. Okay. I don't think it's working. Does that say line 57? It's that line there I don't like. Why? That doesn't have the same error by any chance, does it? Actually, it looks like it does. So obviously, non-accessible value. Well, that one works. At least I hope it still does. Yep. Yeah. Yes. So that might not be the problem. So must be something else missing. Do some mouth. Okay, that's got a comma there. How did that get there? I think that might be the problem. One character. Oh no. It's disabled there too. Yeah, so that must be started somewhere else then. Yes, this is why I don't like coding. So something had changed, and I don't know what. Oh yeah, I've got to create a icon for the executable too. Couldn't be that thing here causing problem, could it? Just comment that out again. But then nothing will work. Yeah, don't click. Okay. It was working when we tried it before. Yeah, what am I missing, guys? What am I missing? Yeah, it's comment that debug code there, see how it gets to it. Doesn't get there. Come on, come on. Might have to wrap up for today, and I have to see where I went wrong, and you might better see the finished product. But yeah, I was gonna do the mouthpiece drawing, but something screwed up here. Beep, 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 beep. if, then should be alright. If then that, click in function, QE delete H. Yep, should delete that one only. Input. Exit loop. Not clicked. That's alright. Not clicked, 0. Alright, that should be 6. Okay, could it be something as that? Nope. Can't see it drawing. Okay, and 2. Is it still streaming? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Looks like it. What did they do wrong? I wasn't looking at the screen when I hit something. So, first of all, opens, sets it for level. Open. Opens microphone. Then sets input level that we want. I can't see anything wrong. It's not getting down to here. I've got 1, 2 less brackets somewhere. That's what it takes. That's this one. Click that one. Okay. Put 6. And it comes up. So it should say 6. box on that one. So it's not getting that far. It's not getting as far as that message box. Dollar. Okay, let's just change all this. Back to hard-coded. It's still not coming up. It's going to be something so stupid. This is the sort of thing that could throw you for hours. Okay. It didn't get down to that far either. So there's got to be something wrong with our code up here. I can't see anything wrong. I can't see nothing wrong. As soon as it's set to 1, exit loop. That should work. Let's print that message box there. And then don't get any further. But we copied and pasted that. It should work. Gets to the ear, but doesn't get to this one here. Yes, message box. And second one now. So it got to there because I removed that chunk there. Makes no sense whatsoever. I reckon Windows is screwed up. That's what it's got to be in it. Beta run. Makes no sense whatsoever. If I compile it. Okay, documents open. Okay, I've got the wrong icon. That should be our compiled version. Aha, what have we got now? Saying error. Subscript used on a non-accessible variable. Why is it suddenly inaccessible? Probably to do with Google. Unbelievable. Let's see. No, still not running. Error. Yeah, people. Looks like we might have to give up for now. We got something that's screwed up big time. Does the main pop-up one work? Let's see if that works. Yep, that definitely works. So it's quite happy with that one. String. Okay, I noticed something different. It's all lowercase, isn't it? In region. Something's happened there. Let's see. What's the difference? Why would some of that be lowercase? Includes are different. I must have done a control key or something. So let's save it. Full screen. What the hell has happened? What's that say down there? So that one's got a star on the end. Must have hit some key or some kind. Bold. Something like here, probably. A lot of control keys there. Duplicate. Include, expand, abbreviation. Yep, must have hit something. Yeah, I don't know what. So maybe it's not including this here. Perhaps. So let's just replace the top. And copy all that. I shall replace it all. Copy. Place all that. I'm going to push the wrong thing. Paste. Okay. Small run. Here we go. Let's see what happens. 0, 0. But when we run that one, still gives us the same error, doesn't it? Okay, can we clear all that? Select all, delete. Okay, let's run. And that runs. Perfect. And I don't think it had the same error. It's not there, is it? Subscript error. That is really weird. What did you do? I don't know. Okay, we know it gets down to that first message box, but doesn't get past the rest of it. And yet I've replaced it so many times. In function, it does that message, and then it doesn't do the rest. How crazy is that? It's 100. Capital then. It's the same. That looks different. Looks bolder. Oh my. Do something radical here. Didn't do anything different. Well, time to give up. This is how we can get stopped in our tracks. A stupid little bug somewhere. It was going so good. Yo. So what now? Yeah. Gotta have to have a break, I think. Defactor 6, that's right. Well, let's just copy some of this. Actually, it can't be that much. In function. Send string. Function send string. Where's that? Show error. Okay, there's the call. I must have lowercased everything. Looks ugly like that. Go. Hey, it's working. Sort of do a case sensitive. If you lowercase everything, it doesn't work. So how long did it take us to find that? Half an hour, 40 minutes. So who would have thought? And there's no way to undo it, is there? How damn stupid. And it didn't save me a backup copy, did it? Well, it does work now. Well, but it looks ugly compared to that one where it's properly capitalized. I'm not sure there's a function to undo that. Let's have a look. Or to accidentally lowercase. So that was that function. I must have pushed something down here. There's no way I push Control Shift U. It's got too many controls, that's the problem. Yeah, lowercase a. What a shitty thing. I might just have to go through it all. At least we know now. Case sensitive. And I must have come across that problem before and forgotten about it. So all that's the same. We knew it didn't look quite the same. So all that's ugly. Now it's looking nice. And can we change much of that one? Not really. And it's got some special bits I've added. And it's different size, you see. I wonder if that's a bug in the code though. Why should it matter what case it is? So we got it going to 69. And here it's going to be different. Bitmap, is that right? Bitmap. And 69. Yep. Small. Oh yeah, it's got all the lowercase. Yuck. And does it still work? Go. Okay. And yep. So this okay back. I'm going to wrap up soon though. Well, at least I know I can manually go through all that and tediously change it bit by bit again. Okay, so I should have done an undo and not closed it, and then I would have been right. Hindsight. Level there. And I suppose it's uppercase up here, is it? No, it's lowercase too. So I had two message boxes. That one. So it gets here now. And that should be back to dollar. D factor. And there's the other message box. Yeah, let's see. Go. So we got up to 6. So what's 7? Not talking. Yes. Okay, it is. So 7 works. And I was going to find out. Yeah, stupid idea. Make a user. It's written like username. That's the only things to do is manually redo it. What a tedious, stupid editor. Anyway, I'll have to find out what 7 is now. Was it cable? It'll C probably. Okay, looks like it's cable C. Haven't got cable C there. Nope. God, all that time wasted on that error. Now let's try 8. And we've got an error message. Whatever that means. So 8 gives error. Okay, try 9. Hello. No, it's not doing anything.
Yes, my name is Ken. I think we got what answers we need though.
So we don't know what 9 is. And because Microsoft X has disabled the extension, it's annoyed me. So I've been annoyed all day. People were trying to control me.
The dog has been selectively bred over millennia for various behaviors, sensory capabilities.
Yeah, so 9, we don't know what it is. Probably cable D, probably. 9. And 9. So we got what we want though. So if we want it to talk, oh no, we haven't got what we need. If we just want it to talk, what's reading out on the web page, not the mic. Don't think we had that working, did we? It's sort of read out and everything. So let's do 10. Hello. So that's now confusing. 10. 10 is working.
Yes, my name is Ken.
Shouldn't be getting any input on that one. Cable, we got 3. Oh, there's a 4th one. No, we had 4. Hello. That makes no sense. So if I could work out how to read the code for the labels, that would be really good. 10, I don't think it's...
At Cosmopolitan Distribution, 10.
Okay. So it's only reading out the mic again. Ten. It could be laptop mic. That could be what it is. Laptop mic, I forgot about that one. I have to tap on the thing on the mic and see if it is. One of them will be laptop mic and one won't be, because we've got 2 mics going. 10. Yeah, it looks like it's laptop mic. There we go, it's laptop mic. At least we know it used to be 9, I think, now it's 10. Now that kind of makes sense. So we still haven't worked out VOIA 3, so that might be 11. Okay. And we haven't worked out speaker, I think, as well. Is that laptop speaker? No, we shouldn't get that one though. 11. Okay, so that gives error. And it won't bring up the thing. Nope. 11 is a crash. 12. Also a crash. $13, probably all the same. Crash. Crash. 15. Crash. Why? I don't know. So we didn't work out what was VAIO1, I mean regular, and VIO3. And we need to know 3. Crash unknown. Let's do 3 again. Hello, hello.
Yes, my name is Ken.
We don't know what 3 is then.
Ten, and the ability to thrive.
Okay. 3 we don't know still. Cable C. What was 7? Is that really cable C? Might have one of these wrong. 7. Anyway, so we want one that doesn't pick me up, but it plays these ones for the
Yes,
other
my name
character.
is Ken.
So I think let's combine all inputs. And all inputs, yeah. Alright, so we thought 6 was the headset, and 5 the headset. Okay, we can't have that many inputs, surely. Let's try 5 again. Hello, hello. Definitely talking when I'm talking, damn it. And
Yes, my name is Ken.
damn it. So I want the opposite. I want to find the input. How about 0? I haven't tried 0. I wasn't sure about 0. Go. 0. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, it's not picking up the mic. Hasn't crashed.
Yes, my name is Ken.
Yeah, it's not playing.
Thrive on a starch-rich diet that would be an
So I don't know what 0 is. Cable B, what was that? Okay, let's just go back to that one. 4. Hello, hello. Ah. Hello, hello, hello. Cable B, what was cable B again? Hello, hello. Damn it. What is cable B? I don't know. Cable B, what was that used for?
Yes, my name is Ken.
Hello, hello. What is cable B? Oh, that's the output from my mic. Goes to other people on Jitsi, that's right. Cable B. Oh, that's freaking alright then. But we still haven't found the other inputs. Unless it goes above 15. Which is unlikely. Nine. All over. What is 9?
Yes, my name is Ken.
That would be inadequate for other canids.
It's a mystery, that one. 9.
Canids, 11. The dog.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I need to find that one there. And that's for the reader. We found B4. We found cable, just the regular cable, wasn't it? 1. Works with just my name Ken. So if you want to get it on those, that works. And it doesn't talk. Good. I'm not talking. I am talking.
Yes, my name is Ken. Ken.
Perfect. And it won't work on here.
Dog has been selectively bred over millennia for various behaviors, sensory
yes, it
capabilities,
is.
and physical attributes. 12. Dogs are subclassified into breeds, which vary widely in shape, size, and color.
So, for the other one, we'd have to use 1. So we figured it out. So it's 1. But it might not be.
Size and color, 13. They perform many roles for humans, such as hunting, herding, pulling loads, protection, assisting police and the military, companionship, therapy, and aiding disabled people. This influence on human society has given them the sobriquet of man's best friend.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. So, what is that input? Is that cable? Can't be. That's got to be...
Friend. Contents. 1 taxon. 2.1 domestication.
Okay, that's where we went wrong. That's VAIO 3. Has to be. Let's see. Oh, did I stop it accidentally? Never ends, does it? This is got to be not cable A. I got it around backwards. Yeah. 1 equals VOIA 3, I think. Hello, hello.
Yes, my name is Ken.
No, it can't be.
Three biology. 3.1 anatomy. 3.1.1 size and weight. 3.1.2 senses. 3.1.3 coat. 3.1.4 tail. 3.1.5 differences from wolves. 3.2.
That's not the mics. What one is it then? Can it be B or A? It's got to be C. No, it can't be C. No, it's not C. Oh, that's confusing. How does it work? Confusing. Well, I know it's that, and VB audio. Hey. But you can't have two. So, which one combines them? I don't know.
3.2 health.
But yeah, at least we know it's. Now, if you want to get it talking on these ones or singing or whatever.
I don't know. It doesn't look like a glitch.
Doesn't look like a glitch. Not too bad. But we'll have to do. It's better than nothing. We've got most of it going. Figure it out. Now it looks like 10. Yeah. Yeah, it's a shame about the upper and lower case got destroyed. So just a wee bit wet for me later. So yeah, I want to fix that graphics there to make them less scabby looking. So yeah, I'll just see if we can tidy that up. Tidy. So we want small. Those two here. To me, I can't see anything wrong there, but it looks all right, but obviously there's some pixels that are not all right when it's scaled down. And if you can spot them, you're doing good. Let me sleep that. Yep. I don't want to do that. I want to fill. So I might have to re-edit and chop out that 40 minutes of listen time. Does it fix it? That's a good question. Okay, let's try it again. With my mic. At least we think it is. Oh, hello. Yeah, is it any better? Well, it's got rid of some of it. Yeah. Maybe it's on the other image now. Okay. Now let's load up the other one. Wonder what happens when you scale it down. It must take a group of 4 pixels, but they should have been all the same color. That's got to be a bug, you know, in the software. Scaling it down shouldn't change the colors. Open with. Okay, need to zoom in. I'm actually redrawing white there again. Let's see if that's fixed that up. Hello, hello. Not sure if I have to restart that or not. Okay, is it any better? And why we still got bits, you see? It's got to be something to do with that differing. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. That's just crazy. I got rid of some of it, but there's still some there. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. See, that's a mystery. What should I do? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. It's definitely on both. Do I worry about it? Sort of ruins it though, I think. We still haven't managed to do the mouth other than circle today. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. It drives me mad. People will be wondering why I'm saying hello to myself millions of times. See, there's no crazy dots there from what I can see. No different colours. Hello. So how'd you get around that? Save. And you have to use compression. Best quality. Best compression. 100%. Shouldn't be any loss. Hello. I do squash that head in a wee bit. Mine does look a wee bit different than the original, you see. Because it's squashed in a wee bit. I think mine looks a wee bit better squashed in though. Hello. Chrome subsupplement. I don't think I can use things, unfortunately. Don't think it works. Let's see. Was it the code? How does it work? Change it to a bitmap. Quality 100. There's got to be something wrong there. So when it converts it to bitmap, it's able to use transparency, I guess. Highest quality bitmap. Into it. But it looks alright when we do the big one. There's definitely no changes there. So why would it do on the small one? Go away. Auto it. Bitmap. Quality lost. So I got it on 100. When okay to create a blank bitmap. Has a bit of quality loss, but made it better. So, compress bitmap bits. Dot block. Yeah, but we are losing quality. What's that? Other officer talking about it too. Yep, that looked like it was 100. What if we save it as a bitmap already? It could be something to try. It's never ending, is it? And take the first one. Save as bitmap. Okay, what do we save it as? So that's maybe where it's losing quality. 8 bits, 24 bits. Different level, right? Probably something wrong in the API calls. It's not 100%. Or it's changing the number of bits. More research. Okay, we saved it as a bitmap. Where is it? Okay, there it is. And can we see any bits? Not with my one, I don't think. So what if we load it directly now? Do we need to convert it to bitmap? There must have been a reason for it. Probably not going to work it now if I change it. Yeah, so let's see. It was head 1, wasn't it? BMP. Go. Does it look any better, any different? Hello, hello. Do they both have crap on? They do, don't they? Hello. Hello, hello. Maybe they don't. Hello. Oh, yeah, they do. Well, it's just changed. Look. It's got to be the code. It's not keeping 100%. So can we bypass that copy? What's it do? Probably sets up transparency. So it copies it. Because bitmaps are really big, right? So it makes sense that you convert only the one to display it at the time. Now let's see what happens when we drop it down 80. Go. Should look worse, you think. Hello, hello. Can't see anything different. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. 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 The mouth's a wee bit too big there. Hello, hello. Testing. I can't see any difference. I would have thought there would have been difference, but there probably is. That's probably only subtle. Long. So it's bitmap. What if you go 110%? What else is here? Let's go to crash it, surely. Go. There we go. Gonna crash the stream. There we go. No, it still carried on. Is it any different? Hello, hello. The alien with scruffy bits on him. Hello, hello. You gotta blink? There you go, blink. I'm not looking happy. Microsoft has screwed us over again. So that doesn't make any sense, does it? You'd expect it to bomb with an error. Smooth mode. Yeah, I gotta wrap up now, guys. But it doesn't matter. Not sure what I'm gonna do with the stream though. But someone might find it useful. But it should make the channel a bit better once I suss it all out. But maybe I just can't get rid of that scraggy looking outer. I wonder if someone else has come across that problem. Smooth mode, what's that? You see, original image. Yep, so I'm just going to wrap up now anyway. Yo, about time they say. I gotta have dinner. I don't even know if the audio was working. Good night, everybody.